Hello, thank you for your interest in registering for Leavenworth Spring Bird Fest. The planning committee has been working hard to plan new trips and recruit new leaders as well as our returning volunteer trip leaders, and we are excited to welcome birders of all skill levels to Leavenworth Spring Bird Fest. In this video, we'll walk through a couple things on the website, including how to find and read the schedule and how to register for Bird Fest. So when you get to the Wenatchee River Institute website and you're looking for Bird Fest, start by going to Education Programs. From education programs, look for community programs, and BirdFest is listed under community programs. And when I click on BirdFest, it will bring me to our BirdFest homepage. This is your best spot to find all of the information about Leavenworth Spring Bird Fest. As you scroll down the page, you will get to this section that has the schedule, a link to order a t-shirt. We've partnered with Wenatchee Wear and our digital designs to do a t-shirt this year. The t-shirt is available by pre-order only, so check out the link if you're interested in that. You can find our BirdFest sponsors, information about Family Day, more details about our keynote presenter, the Youth BirdFest Art Gallery, information about the Founders Award recipients this day, World Migratory Bird Day, as well as honoring the first people of this land and becoming a BirdFest sponsor. The part that I'm going to focus on right now is the schedule. So the BirdFest schedule is linked right here. And when you get to the page with the schedule, it is divided up with pre-trips first and then by date. Pre-trips are ideal for beginning birders. They've got loaner binoculars available, and pre-trips are all free this year. Some do require registration though, so please read the individual trip descriptions to see about registration requirements for those pre-festival trips. As you scroll down, you will get into the events that are happening Thursday, May 18th through Sunday, May 21st. On the schedule page itself, you'll see the title, the time, and the price of the trip. But if you click on the title of the event, a second window will open that shows a more detailed description of the trip, including what birds you might see, who the trip leaders are, what sort of conditions to expect, as well as where the trip meets. I highly recommend checking this page and figuring out what trips you want to be on before going over to the registration page. The registration page this year does not have full trip descriptions listed to streamline the page a little bit. So you'll find all of your trip information on the schedule on Wenatchee River Institute website. Registration itself is linked from our BirdFest homepage. Registration opens Tuesday, April 11th at 5 p.m. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have a demo page of registration to look at. At the top, there's a few notes, how to use a discount if you are a Wenatchee River Institute member. It also has the link to the schedule if you need to check that again. There's the link to the t-shirt orders, as well as where to find the pre-festival trip information. So on this page, you'll scroll down and find the trips that you want to register for. Once again, they are organized by date and time. You can register for one person at a time. So if I'm clicking through, these are trips only for me. So starting out, we'll say I wanted to do an early morning in the orchard trip on Friday morning. And then on Saturday, wanted to do exploring the NTAT waterfront in the morning, and then attend the barbecue and the keynote in the evening. The keynote does require registration. You can register to attend the keynote in person here at Wenatchee River Institute, or there is a ticket to attend the keynote virtually. It will also be live streamed by Zoom. So when you scroll down to the bottom of that page, once you have all your trips, you enter your own name and information. And at this point, if you want to register another person at the same time, click this button to add another registrant. And this part is important. You will have to go through and click the trip choices for the second registrant as well. So if this person was going to do the same trips as me, I would go through and make all of those same selections. You could also select something different for the second registrant and still process it all in one registration. but I will get them selected for the same things that I said I was going to do. And then I'll enter their information again. If you have a WRI membership, this section is where you would enter the WRI discount code that is listed at the top of the registration page. And if I've done all of my registrants for this order, you'll get down to the credit card information. You confirm your email and phone number again, and then click submit. You will see this completed screen that shows the trips that you registered for, and this is another good spot to check if you were registering for 2 people. You will see 2 full registrations with all of the trips listed for both people that you registered. Thanks again for your interest in signing up for Leavenworth Spring Bird Fest. We hope to see you on our campus in May.